Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I am gonna show my minimal living room in Scotland. I live in this mid-terraced house which is kind of duplex. Basically this house has hall and kitchen downstairs and rest of the rooms upstairs. As soon as you enter the house you will see staircases to go upstairs. I kept this shoe rack and wooden cabinet in the entrance itself and also kept jacket, bag and umbrella. Since the lockdown started, I started keeping hygiene essentials such as hand gloves, sanitizer and hand wipes. This hall is in square shape and came unfurnished. I decorated the living space with basic furniture items that is available in the charity shops. Basically the charity shops provides wide range of used good furnitures. Also you will be helping the community when you buy it. I made a video on EF5 Furniture Edinburgh. You can also check the link in the below description box. In one side of the hall, I kept this cream color sofa which also came with extra seater and complimentary pillows. I don't have a dining table. I am using the central table as my dining area as well as tea time area. Let's take a closer look. I kept lot of daily essentials such as dry fruits, laptop, tripod and also medicines here. On top of the table I kept lemonade water, salt, pepper, my TV remotes. Also I got this wooden square from Malaga to keep hot tea or coffee. On the other side of the hall I kept another two-seater sofa. You can also see handmade pillows here. Best thing is I have this small window which connects to the kitchen. This side you can see a big heater as well as big windows. These windows brings lot of sunlight in the summer and makes this living room very spacious and airy. Place this small Eiffel Tower that I got it from Paris. Living room doesn't have curtains, instead it has blinds. I can completely open it up and enjoy the outside view. I'm glad that there is this flower plant outside my window. Funny thing is, it has more flowers than its leaves. These windows can be opened partially as well as completely. I'll completely open this and show it to you. As you can see, window is completely opened and it is very fresh and airy. Also it's easy to clean the glass windows. These windows also have this ventilation feature when I cannot open the window in the winter season. There is this TV and TV table. It also has lot of space. I use this tea table to keep my diya and candles. And the artificial flowers are from Netherlands. I got this white simple lamp from IKEA. It's perfect for evening light. Also I got these little soldiers from TK Maxx during Christmas season. That's all about my living room. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Please like, share, subscribe.